again, my friends. It is your loan guy, Troy, with the Reichert Mortgage Team, bringing you yet another mortgage market moment. Hope you're enjoying these. Want to keep you up to speed on what's going on with interest rates and estimated monthly payments, and we're here for another one. But before we get started, remember, if you do think that this is valuable information, please do me a favor, hit that like button right there. It really helps the algorithms. If you think that this would be valuable for someone else that you know, please share this with somebody. We'd also love you to subscribe to the channel. We're trying to grow this channel, and we're going to be providing some really good information now and in the future. As long as you agree with that, we'll keep doing this thing. So, also wanted to let you know we talk about VA, conventional FHA loans. In this particular video, we have a lot of different loan products out there as far as access to certain things. So please don't think that those are the only types of loans we do. We do some pretty cool investor stuff, some asset depletion stuff, some bank statement programs. We do manufactured homes, all kinds of stuff. So please, love to have a chat with you about that. Don't forget, interest rates change daily and sometimes multiple times a day. So we're going to timestamp this as of 0830 on the 14th of May, 2024. Let's go ahead and talk about our scenario here. We're talking about a $450,000 purchase price here, single family home, primary residence, 30-year fixed on all of these. We also fold in $175 each for property taxes and homeowners insurance and the monthly payment estimate. We do not include homeowners association. Remember, each home is its own living, breathing thing. But we do want to try to give you a true representation of what a potential monthly payment might look like. Now, without any further ado, let's get started here. VA purchase 660 credit score, no money down, interest rate 6.25%, APR of 6.299 to 6.611, depending upon if you're financing a VA funding fee. Estimated monthly payment $3,120 and change to $3,212 and change. Again, that funding fee is going to affect certain things there as well. Conventional purchase 740 credit score, 10% down, 7.375 on that interest rate with a 7.566 APR annual percentage rate. Estimated monthly payment 3207.98. FHA 660 credit score 6.25, just like the VA as well. APR 7.016 on that for you today, and an estimated monthly payment of $3,268.51. Remember, there are some times when, let's say, if you're a first-time home buyer or those kind of things, or interest rates, as you can see, are reflected upon based upon some pretty, generic and regular credit scores. We don't jack up the credit scores to provide the absolute lowest interest rate out there. We wanted to give you a true representation of what's out there in the market. If you have higher interest rates, you could indeed enjoy a lower if you have a higher credit score, you could indeed enjoy a lower interest rate there. So now, what is the general direction of rates compared to last week? Well, they're a little mixed, actually. Our government interest rates went down about 0.25%, but our conventional rate is exactly the same as what it was in last video. Why is that? Well, sometimes government loans do indeed fluctuate differently. They could go up or go down. They don't necessarily follow the conventional loan interest rates all the time. There's different factors for each different loan product. So again, conventional loans basically stayed the same. We see a little bit lower on those VA and FHA loans. Just means that there's less risk out there for those compared to last week. So don't read too much into it. It could indeed, level out next time we have a conversation. But if you do indeed want to know more about what's going on in the mortgage world, maybe you want to go ahead and get pre-approved for a loan or looking at a refinance. A lot of folks are indeed looking at refinances, even though interest rates are higher, because maybe they had a life event or they're trying to access that massive amount of equity that's in there, and that makes the most sense for them. Let's have that conversation. Give me a call, text, or email me. Contact information is right there. Appreciate you for spending some time with me today, and we'll see you on the next one. Your loan guy, Troy with the Reichert Mortgage Team. Take care.